What is going on, YouTube fam? Steven from the Vargas team here again, and welcome to another property tour episode. So in this channel, I like to think that we do a pretty good job in sharing with you guys a snapshot of the current Miami real estate market. So whether you're looking to rent and just want to have an idea of what prices are trading at, or you're looking to sell and buy and you just want to have an idea of what the market is responding to, this channel is all about that, delivering information and valuable data to you, the viewer and the consumer, to have a better idea and equip you with the information that you need to act practically. However, very rarely do we ever show you what the short-term rental market in Miami is actually doing. Now, here at the Vargas team, we own and manage a lot of properties that we do short-term rentals, and the short-term rental market has exploded along with other parts of the market like the purchase market and the rental market. So I thought it'd be cool because we do have a few properties that we manage. One in particular is in the Fontainebleau, which is what today's video is on, and it's a 1-bedroom, 2-bath with a stunning view of the bay and the ocean. And we actually do short-term rentals on this property for around $600 a night, and that again is going to depend on the low season or high season. Believe it or not, this property then we're going to see today actually sometimes trades for double that price depending on the season. Things like Art Basel will affect the actual price point on a daily rental. My client purchased this property for $1.2 million last year, and it's been an amazing investment and a good return on his investment ever since then. For those of you guys who are familiar with Miami and know the Fontainebleau needs no introduction. It's the most iconic resort hotel in all of Miami, and it has a very historic past. Things like the Rat Pack staying there, Frank Sinatra, the famous Live nightclub is there. Some of the best restaurants are there in Miami Beach as well. So it needs no introduction. And for those of you who are not aware, I just introduced it. So we're gonna get started, and hopefully this property tour will give you some insight as to what to expect for that price point, or if you're looking to buy. This was around $1.2 million again. So if you're thinking about investing here in the Miami area, then this is a very good option for you. However, the properties are limited at this moment, but if there was ever a property that would come about, then this would be an option for you guys in the near future. So let's get started with today's property tour video. A 1-bedroom, 2-bath at the Fontainebleau with stunning views of the bay and the ocean. So let's go. Welcome everyone to the Fontainebleau. I'm glad to have you all here and along with me on today's property tour. And if this is your first time to the channel, then bienvenidos, as they would say here in Miami. This channel is all about bringing you the best property tour content in the Miami market. So if that is of interest to you, then please consider subscribing and ringing that bell to be notified of my weekly videos. Clicking that thumbs up button helps promote this video. So if you enjoyed today's content and want to show your support, then that is the best way of doing so. So a little bit on the Fontainebleau. The famed resort first opened its doors in 1954, and since then has been a hotspot for celebrities to gather and work. In fact, Hollywood has had its fair share of movies and TV series filmed on site, mostly during the golden era. Some notable mentions are James Bond Goldfinger and Scarface, just to name a few. Over the years, the Fontainebleau has seen many renovations and introduced a condo hotel component. This offers an additional alternative to those looking for a more permanent stay. As you can imagine, this has been wildly successful, as many homeowners use this as a vacation spot to spend more time during the winter months. This 1-bedroom suite we're stepping into offers unparalleled views of Millionaire's Row and the beach while overlooking the pool deck. Condo hotel suites are located in the Tresor and Sorrento Towers here in the Fontainebleau, with this one in particular located in the former. The great thing about condo hotel units is the flexibility it offers to the owner. You still get all the comforts that a traditional condo will provide, with the bonus of having the resort style amenities, but the best part is that when you're not using the space, it can be enrolled into the hotel program or rented through Airbnb. The result? Having a vacation home that essentially makes you money and is professionally managed on a daily basis. All of this comes at a cost, however, with the 1-bedroom suites now trading close to $1.5 million. And I know that is a lot of money, but when you take into account the views, amenities, and profit you stand to make via short-term rentals, you quickly see how much value is wrapped into that sales price. And it is because of the value that the Fontainebleau provides that makes this one of the most in-demand condo hotel options on the market today. The entire property comes in at 980 square feet and has a full kitchen and 2 full baths and balcony access, which is found in the living room and the master bedroom. But honestly, the fact that the corner unit is encased in glass with oversized windows and ensures that you don't have to venture too far to get some of the best views Miami Beach has to offer. Just take the views from the kitchen, for instance. Sweeping views of the water while putting your dishes away, that's hard to beat. But suffice it to say, it's some of the best views from a kitchen that you're probably going to find in the Miami area. This spacious one bedroom offers everything that you would need from a home while still remaining true to its resort style nature. Residents can enjoy access to the spa, towel service, beach chair service, fine dining, and much more, all from the comfort of your own home. This is the reason why I think that condo hotel units are becoming much more popular nowadays, especially with out-of-town buyers. Now, the last 24 months have proven to be a record year for real estate all across Miami, and rental real estate is a big part of that. It seems that the new hot investment that is taking the real estate market by storm are short-term rentals. Developers are constructing buildings that cater to the short-term rental market in neighborhoods that had strict restrictions on them before. So things are definitely changing, and watching this new landscape unfold before our very eyes is exciting. What's most surprising is the hype and demand that has ensued over the last few months for this type of product. And by the looks of where the market currently is and where it's headed, it seems that short-term rental investments are here to stay. Rates are expected to increase this year, leading into next. So if you're thinking about acquiring a property for your investment needs and want to get into the game before it's too late, now is definitely the time to do so before it becomes impossible to find. I hope you enjoyed today's video, and if you did, don't forget to subscribe to the channel for more of my content on Miami real estate. And if you found the content valuable, help the channel out by clicking that thumbs up button. Thank you guys for tuning in, and as always, making it this far. I will see you all next week. Take care and God bless.